Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn the Russian numbers, or how to count in Russian. Let's start simply with the one. Один. As you can see, there is a transcription below the number, and you can also see the IPA if you want to make sure you're reading the transcription the way it's supposed to be. I'm going to repeat the numbers 2 times, so that you can make sure you have the correct pronunciation for each number. Один, один, два, два, три, три, четыре, четыре, пять, пять, шесть, шесть, семь, семь, восемь, восемь, девять, девять, десять, десять, одиннадцать. So from this point on, we are going to see there is a rule here. I won't go too much into the grammatical details, but the simplest way to remember is to start with the number you already know and add nadzet at the end. So 11 would be одиннадцать, 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 двенадцать, двенадцать, тринадцать, тринадцать, четырнадцать, четырнадцать, пятнадцать, пятнадцать, шестнадцать, шестнадцать, семнадцать, семнадцать, восемнадцать, восемнадцать, девятнадцать, девятнадцать, двадцать. Starting from 20, a very logical rule applies to how you construct the numbers. So you would say 20, and then you would add the number at the end. For example, 21, 21. Similarly, you would say 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. So in order not to be repetitive, this is basically working in a similar fashion like the 20. So it's 31, 31, 32, 32, etc. So you basically use the first word and then you add the number that you want to say, and you can make a small pause in between. You don't have to say them as a one word, and that's perfectly fine. So I'll just go on and tell you the numbers for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and a couple of more, and then go in a bit more detail into complex numbers, how you structure them, what is the logical way to name them and say them. 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 1 миллион, 1 миллион. Now let's take a look at a more complex number, in this case 3220. This is basically spoken and written in the same order, in the same logical order. It would be 3000, 3200, 200, 200, 20. 20. So, to wrap it up, 3220. Again, 3220. So basically, Russian language doesn't have that many specific rules or complicated situations in terms of numbers like some other languages have. This is rather logical. So if you want to say 21, you would go with the word 20 and you would add the word 1 for that. If you want to say 255, you would go for 255. So it's logical, it's in the same order that the numbers are written, and it has no confusing elements. You just have to learn the word for that, and you're good to go. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye!